Hello everybody, CJ Compton here at Davis Road, here outside of Perry, Ohio. I think this might be in Perry, or this is just outside of Perry, Ohio. And we have a train coming. Check it out. Roll it. This is a westbound train, I believe. Yeah, it's a westbound train. Should be getting gates here any second now. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll get to that here at the end of this video too, because I have almost 2,500 videos for all of you to enjoy, and about 800 subscribers. That's the crossing behind me. And we have a gate light burned out too. Wonderful. I'll get to that here in a minute too. We have a gate light burned out too. I don't know what that train is exactly. And also subscribe to Wide World of Trains. He probably saw this train before I did. And the signals are on. We have a green signal on the other track. It probably isn't anything. It's probably just a default signal. It's a little hard to see. And the other track is still red because of the other train.
That was train B122, and it had 482 axles.
CSX B122?
Yeah, with 8s and then 2 BNSF ES44s.
Wow, nice. That train starts out in Selkirk, New York, I think. Heads west to I believe either Chicago, Illinois or Detroit, Michigan. It's one of the two. But I don't know. Anyway, on this Sunday, August 3rd of 2025, from CJ Compton on YouTube. It's kind of sad that this main line over here, no longer has a bell. It used to on this side. Before I end the video, that's right, we have to go over here and see if we have another train. I caught the Conrail Heritage on Friday and the Lehigh Valley Heritage unit just yesterday. So that is 2 Heritage units 2 days in a row. Anyway, let's see if we have another train over here. This is the Norfolk Southern Lake Erie District over here. So let me see here. Nothing that way. And nothing this way. All right, and like I said, don't forget to, and like I said, if you haven't already, subscribe to my YouTube channel and give my videos a thumbs up. That will help my channel out a lot. Anyway, I guess that's it. So let's roll it. I hope you all enjoyed, and that is it.